Breathe you in like oxygen. Oh, in an otherwise suffocating world, I'm reaching out for arms, I'm drowning.
Guys, welcome back. So today I want to show you guys how to make your lace appear as if it's invisible. I know a lot of us strive to do that. Of course, I'm using my RPGhair wig. Today this is the Pre-Plucked 360 frontal wig, deep wave Indian Remy hair, and it's the code LFW32. Alright, it's 24 inches long, by the way, so I was really excited to have this one. The curls are gorgeous. Curly slash wavy textures are my absolute favorite. I was just showing you guys the cap construction and you know how the lace looks. It comes bleached. It comes with the knots bleached, and you know this it's really nicely done with the whole lace portion. Now, as I said before, it is pre-plucked, so you don't need to do anything more, any more plucking to the lace if you don't want to. But I, for the most part, I always go in a bit more and just pluck it a little bit more because that's just how I like it personally. So that's what I was doing here at the beginning. I just love when my lace looks super natural, you know, so I always strive to just do the best at having it in that state. So I'm using my tweezer and I'm taking my time to do so. Yeah, so I was pretty satisfied with how it was looking. So that's it for, you know, me plucking out any more here. The waves are so gorgeous, guys. I feel like this wig is perfect for vacation, by the way. So for the lace portion, even though it comes bleach and all, I wanted to go in and do a little bit more since that front portion is a little light. So I went in with some of my face powder to further, you know, help it to kind of be more seamless when I put it against my skin, or my scalp rather. I went ahead and I got the hair wet because I just love when my waves look very juicy and wet. That's just the look I go for most times with my curly slash wavy wigs. This is how it's looking. It's so gorgeous. I went ahead and I proceeded to start to apply it. Now, if you notice the parting, I did apply some of my face powder to there as well to make it a little bit more pronounced. I applied my Got To Be freezing spray because this is what will work as the adhesive for the wig. You could use glue, but I mean, that's if you want to keep on the wig for a longer period and if you have experience with the glue as well. So yeah, so I started to just lay the edges how I want it. I didn't do much baby hair action. I was just laying the edges to my liking, you know. And I use my blow dryer. Now this part is very important because it speeds up the drying process, and also how strong the edge portion of lace holds onto your edges. It's like, I don't know, I love this method. It just makes life way easier. Also, I make sure to use the back of a rat tail comb to help to press the lace in. This is what will help to give it that melted effect, so it's harder to detect. And the way I also swoop the edges play a role in this because it helps to further conceal the lace. All right, whenever I apply my adhesive beneath the lace, I also apply a bit on top of the lace. So the wetter it looks, and then I go in with the blow dryer, it helps to just camouflage everything, helping it to look more like skin. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying, but this is all what contributes to that whole look of it not being as obvious, or contributes to it not looking obvious, like, oh yeah, that's lace, you know. That's not what we want. We want it to look like, wow, you know, like, is it your hair? That's the aim. So as you can see, I elongated the parting there to the front a little bit more, and I used some of my face powder for this. And guys, that was pretty much it for the whole laying process. All I did was move on to spritzing the hair with some water. That's all that was in my spray bottle. And I used that brush that I received from RPGhair some time ago, which is so helpful whenever I use I groom my curly slash wavy texture wigs. You know, it makes my curls just really pop, you know, and I love that. But that's really it for how I make my lace look invisible at the moment. I hope it was helpful for you guys, it was helpful to you guys. If it was, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. It's also RPGhair's 3rd anniversary, so they're having sale. Go ahead, take part of that, and don't forget to go ahead and use the discount codes. You can use my discount codes as well, Sue15 and Petit10. Yes guys, all the specifications on this wig will be below, so go ahead, check that out, and you can go ahead and purchase this wig or any other one from RPGhair. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video.